Hello everybody, and welcome to another video on technology for you. In today's video, you might notice behind me that we have a computer with 1, 2, 3, and 4 monitors. I think you can call this a very sophisticated setup, and the good thing about this one is that you could be doing a lot of different things. For example, here you could be watching a YouTube video, over here you could be reading a website or looking something up, and then on these two you can either be charting something, having a picture, or if you work in customer service, you could have your chat right over here, you could have your research window right over here, you can have your boss on a Zoom call over here, and then you can have your client on a Zoom call over there. And the way you see it, it doesn't mean that these monitors are just set in stone. If you look right here, you can see that you can move around the window just like a normal window. So if you want to move this back over here, and then change this one over here, and let's put this one down here, for example. You can move things around, and if you want to hide everything, there's a little button on the bottom where it just clears out everything. And yeah, you can make your wallpaper span the whole monitor section. And I think this one looks pretty cool. If you're interested in getting this set up, check the link down below and chat with us, and then let us know what you want, and let's see what we can do together. See ya.